Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to pin a message for everyone in a Telegram chat, using the latest steps for 2025. Pinning messages is a great way to keep important information visible at the top of your chat, ensuring no one misses out on key announcements, reminders, or updates. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Navigate to the chat where you want to pin a message. This could be a private chat, a group, or even a channel. Make sure you have the necessary permissions. If you're pinning in a group or channel, you may need to be an admin. Once you're in the chat, scroll to find the specific message you want to pin. It could be anything: a meeting link, a set of rules, or an important announcement. When you found it, single tap on the message. This will highlight the message and bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, select the option labeled Pin. A prompt will appear, giving you a choice. You can pin the message just for yourself, or you can pin it for everyone in the chat. To make sure the message is visible to all members, check the box that says Also Pin For or Notify All Members, depending on your version of Telegram. After you've checked the box, confirm your selection. Tap Pin or Confirm, and you're done. The message will now appear at the top of the chat for everyone to see, making it easy for all members to access the information whenever they need it. Pinned messages are a powerful tool for keeping your chats organized and ensuring that important details never get lost in the conversation. Remember, you can update or unpin messages at any time by repeating these steps. That's all it takes to pin a message for everyone in a Telegram chat. Keep your group informed and your conversations efficient with this simple feature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Telegram tips.